Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Google Earth Studio to make drone shots. First, you have to open a browser, then you have to simply search for Google Earth Studio. It's a web application that you can use to get the drone shots. Then you will get this first link, simply click onto it, and after that you have to simply click onto this option, try Earth Studio, and you have to sign up using your Google account, which is your Gmail account. And once you get sign up, then you have to simply get agree to their terms and condition. Then if you're using it for the first time, then you have to go with this option, blank project. As you click onto it, then it will ask you to give it a name. I'm gonna get the drone shots of the Eiffel Tower, which is in Paris. Therefore, I'm gonna name it Paris. Otherwise, you can go with any option. You can also select the planet if you would like to. Then these are the resolution, the size. You can just simply skip it. These options are there. If you understand these things, then change it. Otherwise, just simply go with these one. As if you change it, they may vary into the result. After that, you will see this interface. This is the globe, and you can literally get the recording of any place wherever you would like to. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can just simply do it with your mouse cursor and you can go to any place. But if you want to search for something specific, you can click onto it and then simply type any place you would like to see. You can also do it by searching on the globe, but it will get really hard to go to these precise locations. So therefore, it is better that you search for it and it will find you the location that you're looking for. In my case, this is the Eiffel Tower that I want to record. Otherwise, you can go with any place of your choice. Now, using it is simple, but recording a video of your choice is a bit technical. If you have ever used any video editing tool, then it will be really easy for you. Otherwise, you have to just simply learn it. So now what we have to do is we have to add the frame rates. If you add a frame rate at this point and move it to another point and add the frame rate there, and then you just simply play the video, so your video will record it from first frame rate to your last frame rate. So this is what I'm going to do it. I'm going to add one frame rate, then another, and if required I will add multiple frame rates. So here, as you can see, I have added two different frame rates and moved the angle. Now once I play it, my video will run from one frame rate to the other frame rate based on what changings I have done. You once start using it, then you will understand how it can be done. It is not that much hard. You just have to simply do a little practice. So minimum 2 frame rates are required to capture the video, but if you want to add more, you can do it as per your choice. Now this is the top view. If you don't want the top view, you have to press the alt and just simply move it with your mouse, then you will get two different angles. Then it's up to you. You can just simply move the video as per your preferences. Like this is from the video will start, and now I want the video to go to this angle, like end up there. So I have added the frame rate there. Now once I play the video, you can see how it is working. And once you're done with your editing and you want to save the video, then you can see this render option. Click onto it, then you can just simply name the file anything. And there are other options, like you can change the fps and the stuff. Once you're done, simply click on that green option and your video will get saved into your selected folder in your system. So that's how you can use Google Earth Studio to make drone shots. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.